Welcome to the installation video for the Frunk in the MG. First, I would like to show you what is included and what additional tools you will need. Included is, of course, the Frunk, which is fully assembled. It doesn't require any additional parts to be added or screwed on. It is equipped with a net and, of course, the rubber buffers, which are already screwed on. The assembly kit includes 4 ball bolts, 4 lock nuts, and 4 washers. You only need a Phillips screwdriver, a wrench with a size 12, and a wrench with a size 13. Okay, let's get started. First, in 2021, we need to remove the plastic cover that is installed in my GIF here. It's very easy. It is currently secured with these 5 expansion anchors. No, there are 6 expansion anchors. The expansion anchors are very easy to remove once you know how to do it. Simply unscrew the expansion plug, or the screw that is inside the expansion plug, and then this expansion plug can be easily pulled out. It is best to keep these items, the expansion plugs and the plastic cover, in case you want to disassemble it again. And the last one, as mentioned, should be kept extremely important and safe. Now the plastic cover can be easily removed. Next, we position the attachment points and screw in the ball bolts. The 4 ball bolts are inserted at these 4 positions. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's very simple. Take the ball bolt. Place the washer onto the ball bolt. Insert the ball bolt into the designated hole, and then secure it with the nut and the lock nut. And ultimately, very carefully secure it with the wrench with a size of 12 and a size of 13. We will do the whole thing 4 times now. The 4th attachment point is definitely the trickiest. Again, place the washer, and the lock nut must now be inserted under this holding bracket. It is best to place it on a finger. Press it against the angle and slide it into the opening up to the hole. Then simply place the ball bolt on and screw it tight. Okay, then use the wrench to secure the nut and tighten the crank bolt. And with the 3rd one, it's a bit more difficult, but it works quite well too. Okay, and that was all the magic. Now take the Frunk, position it correctly, place it onto the designated ball bolts, and gently press down with the rubber buffers so that it locks into place on all 4 rubber buffers. Check the secure fit one more time, and that's it. You have seen that in just a few minutes, the ball bolts are installed accordingly, and the insertion or removing the Frunk is done in just a few seconds. So, now all that's left for me is to wish you lots of fun with your great MG and to make good use of the Frunk. Thank you. Your Josef from Frunk.at.